नेक्स्ट इज़ हदीस नंबर 15, और मैंने आपको पहले जैसे बताया था कि हदीस नंबर 14 एंड हदीस नंबर 15 बोथ आर रिलेटेड टू काइंडनेस एंड मर्सी। हदीस नंबर 15 इज़ अबाउट जनरल मर्सी, आम रहम दिली और रहम और मर्सी के बारे में है कि गॉड विल नॉट शो मर्सी टू हिम हु डज नॉट शो मर्सी टू अदर्स। देखो इस हदीस से भी ये पता चलता है और पिछली हदीस से भी ये पता चलता है कि काइंडनेस एंड मर्सी आर रेसिप्रोकल। ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे भी था ना, मे गॉड शो मर्सी टू अ मैन हु इज काइंडली, सो द पर्सन विल बी एबल टू गेट एंड अचीव गॉड्स मर्सी when he is also showing kindness and mercy. In the same way, this hadith also tells that kindness and mercy are reciprocal. If we want to gain Allah's mercy, then we have to be kind and merciful to others. Okay, this is the main and the key teaching given in this hadith of the Holy Prophet peace upon him, कि प्रॉफिट ने इस हदीस में क्या बताया कि अल्लाह ताला उस शख्स पर रहम नहीं करता जो दूसरों पर रहम नहीं करता। तो हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि इन ऑर्डर टू गेन अल्लाह's mercy, Muslims are required to be kind and merciful and show mercy to others. So this hadith describes that Muslims must show mercy to the entire creation of Allah, as it is the one of the special attribute of Allah Almighty. Okay, and repeatedly mentioned in the Holy Quran, the most beneficent and the most merciful, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Okay, there is a Hadith Qudsi which states, truly, my mercy overcomes my wrath. मेरी रहमत मेरे गुस्से से आगे बढ़ गई, ठीक है, उससे आगे निकल गई. My mercy overcomes my wrath. That is a Hadith Qudsi. Moreover, it teaches that kindness and mercy are reciprocal. ठीक है, reciprocal है, हम करेंगे तो मिलेगी. From the beginning of the time, Allah has shown mercy towards His creation, and Allah also wants from Muslims to develop the traits of kindness and mercy in themselves. Okay, they are asked to show mercy to others if they wish to, if they wish for God's mercy in this world and in the next. So, in order to gain Allah's mercy, Muslims are required to show kindness and mercy. Furthermore, the rights of fellow Muslims are stressed upon by God and the Prophet also. And one's treatment by God depends on how he or she treats others. ठीक है, हमारे साथ अल्लाह ताला कैसा मामला करेंगे और हमारे साथ कैसा बिहेव करेंगे, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि हम दूसरों के साथ कैसा बिहेव करते हैं. सो दोज हु डू नॉट प्रैक्टिस मर्सी सिंपली डिप्राइव देमसेल्फ ऑफ अल्लाहस मर्सी. ठीक है, इसके अंदर हम वही हदीस भी कोट कर सकते हैं कि बी काइंड टू दोज ऑन अर्थ एंड द वन हु इज़ इन द हेवंस विल बी काइंड एंड मर्सीफुल टू यू. तुम ज़मीन वालों पर रहम करो, आसमान वाला तुम पर रहम करेगा. बी पार्ट में आपने एग्जांपल्स देनी है, प्रॉफिट लाइफ टाइम से भी एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं, आज के हिसाब से भी एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं कि हम किस तरीके से काइंडनेस एंड मर्सी शो कर सकते हैं. द प्रॉफिट ऑलवेज शोड मर्सी टू एवरीवन. When the believers asked him to curse the people of Taif, one example is the people of Taif, he instead prayed that one day they might accept Islam, and he expressed his hope that I hope that their future generations would be amongst the believers. They would be believing in one God. Again, at the time of the conquest of Makkah, and this is another occasion, he forgave almost all of his enemies, all of the enemies of Islam. Okay, those who were his worst enemies, and those who have not left any stone unturned against him, but he forgave all of them and announced general pardon for everyone. Okay, saying that I will say what Yusuf alayhi Islam said to his brothers. Okay, and there is no reproach against you. Go your way, for you all are free. So Muslims today can keep the Prophet's example by forgiving those who wrong them and develop the traits of kindness and mercy in their personalities and show compassion to all living things in this world and forgive the mistakes of others, okay, and overlook their minor faults. Okay, like uh, we can apply it in our daily life, like servants and maids when they perform their different tasks at home, they might make a mistake. Okay, so we can overlook them and we can forgive them and show kindness and mercy to them. We can help them and provide them with financial support. So we can practice mercy by assisting the poor, feeding the indigent. Okay, indigent matlab muhtaj or zarratmand, attending the needs of other people. Muslims should not show selfish attitude to others. ठीक है, सेल्फिश नहीं हो, मफाद परस्त ना हो कि अपना फ़ायदा देखें. मोर ओवर द सर्वेंट्स एंड मेड्स मस्ट बी प्रॉपरली एंड काइंडली ट्रीटेड. ये भी काइंडनेस एंड मर्सी उनके साथ कि उनको उनके साथ किसी किस्म का जुल्म ना किया जाए. And we must also take care of birds, animals. We can look after our environment by planting more trees, okay, and taking care of the habitat of the other okay, other living beings. These are all the different ways we can be kind and merciful towards ourselves, towards our society, and to the other living beings also. The Holy Prophet, peace upon him, was very much kind and merciful even with the enemies, with the animals, and with everyone. He has been sent as a mercy for the whole mankind. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. The Quranic verse states that we have sent you as a mercy for the whole world. आपको तमाम जहानों के लिए रहमत बनाकर भेजा है. And he expresses through his action. Okay, and we have several examples that the way he showed kindness and mercy, and he was kind and merciful with everyone.